This video I'll show you how to fix Roblox. This experience is not currently available. Let's get started. First, sometimes the issue isn't your phone, it's Roblox itself. Go to status.roblox.com. Then you can also check Roblox official Twitter to see if the servers are down. Then next method is go to the settings, then Roblox, and go to the storage. Then clear the cache and clear data. This removes old files that can cause loading errors or outdated content. Then the next method is go to Google Play Store. Then search for Roblox and tap update. If it's already updated, try uninstall and reinstall the app to refresh everything. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos.